What's up, guys? Back another banger. Gtag had an update. I don't know if it's just me or what. Alright, let's read the board because I say so. It's my video. Alright. Snowball fight. I want to wake up to my class. I want to check out the cosmetic. Didn't this used to be a different color? What? What the? What? What is this? What? 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 You're actually so freaking cool. What? Race car race. Do you want to actually race? Wait. Oh, wait. Where is this dude? Notice update. This gotta be the notice update. Can you still hear me, by the way? I'm my controller. Look! Look! I don't know if you can hear me. I got the stick! I'm gonna ban you! Yeah, I gotta. No freaking way! I'm a DJ. Don't mess with me. Oh yeah, hey, oh, Yo, can you hear me? Can you hear me? What? I don't hear you. What the heck? No way. 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 What? Oh, what's this? Oh. What's your favorite way to solve problems? Yeah, I guess it. And it's this one! I'm so smart. I don't hear him. That's kind of weird. I don't know. Oh! What the heck? Bro, come in here. Bro, come in here. I do not hear you if you're asking me. What? Nah, chat. What the freak? I do not want to. Bro, Gorilla Tag, you were full out this time, bro.